Hey, I've been doing a little online dating and I got a little something coming to this side. Alright, so be quiet. Go sit down somewhere while she over, alright?
Jake Mcghee, even found her in person.
Oh, hell no!
What you mean, hell no, Jake? I'm just trying to have a good time.
Hey! I'm gonna tell you like this, right? Here! Get the hell off my property!
Look here, little nigga. I want you, and I'm gonna have you. Now we can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way.
The easy or the hard way, huh? I got something for you. Stand right there. Stand right there.
I don't know what's going on.
Now get the hell off my property. Right now. Right now. Got me fucked up.